guys, my name is Mel and I want to welcome you all to my channel. For today's video I want to show you a little tutorial on how I create very simple and quick styles for curly hair. That's right. Now if you are interested to see how I do that, stick around. So okay, I'm doing these styles on day, what are we on now? Day 5. The wash day was 5 days ago, so my hair's a little tired, it's a little bit frizzy, it's got nice volume to it, which is great for some of the styles, and but it's got a lot of build up, but it's okay because we're gonna use the hair for today. Okay, so I've got a few things here. I've got my rose water that I'm gonna be using. I've got my eco styling gel. Oh, let me get it around that way. I haven't used my flaxseed gel because I just need to make some more, and I'll put a little card up the top, not sure which way it is, for you to see how to make your own gel. Mine's just run out. And also I'm going to be using the Mel's Butter Me Up cream, which is amazing. It's a new one because I finished the last one. Can't wait to start using that. So let's get started. I have got no names for these styles. So first things first, what I'm going to do is I need to part the front part of my hair. Oh. Yes, my hair needs detangling. And then I'll get the front part of my hair, oh my goodness, on this side too. So for this one I'm going to be doing the halo braid. So what you want to do is you want to bring this hair towards the center. I'm going to flat twist it here. Just a very loose one, not very tight. And then just going to twist it. If you could see the build up right now. Look at the gel build up. Oh dear. I have a quick and easy solution for that. So once I've done that, I just secure that up here. And then I take the other side, bring it to the center, flat twist it here. Right, now what you need to do, you need to place it and then do the same for the other side. Okay, so there you have your halo. Halo, halo, in my halo, halo. Halo, ooh. And then you just take out the rest of your hair. So this is the part that I think is quite important to remember to do, is pull out, really just pull it out so it's nice and chunky. So for the next one, so I'm just securing the braid there. Then all I do is I'm just grabbing the hair and I'm doing the same thing, twisting and turning, twisting and turning away, twisting it. I'm just going to turn it around on itself, use a bobby pin, and then do the next side. Once I've secured it, all I'm doing is opening up the bun. There we have it, another cute hairstyle for any occasion, and it's a great protective style. So number 3 is all about having your hair up in a protective style. So for this step, what I'm going to need is some rose water or any kind of moisture. Plain water's fine. I'm just going to kind of do the hairline and a little bit up the hair shaft, all the way around. And a little bit on the crown of my hair. The reason being is because I need my hair to go up and I want it to be very pliable. Alright, so I'm going to do a middle part in here. Ow! Section off this part here. And then I'm going to lift this side up as high as I can. Now I'm using satin hair ties. I do have a black one and a brown one, so I couldn't find my other brown one, so you have to, or my other black ones, you have to forgive me for that. So all I'm doing is tying it not super tight and then pull it through, and I have to maneuver and swoosh it round and do the same on the other side. My little pom-poms! They look so cute. So I'm going to pull out just a few of the bit of the sides, just to give this hairstyle a little bit of a personality. There you go. And then I'm going to go in and use my Mel's Butter Me Up. Just a dab of that. Remember, I've already sprayed my hair with a bit of water and a tiny bit of the Eco Gel. So all I'm going to do is just do like that on the ends. You see that? 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 That's what you need to do. Just give it some zhuzhin. There we go. And then I'm going to go in on the edges again with the Eco Style Gel. Look at the build up. Can you see all the bits? So bad. And as usual, just create some really nice edges, just so it gives it a nice polished look. And that, my dear, is it. So guys, thank you for watching my video in me creating 3 very quick hairstyles for curly hair. If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. It really helps my video. And you could also share it with somebody that you feel that may benefit from it as well. I'm going now, guys. I'll see you in my next video. God bless you. Bye. Oh, look at the build up. That is so bad, the build up. Oh my goodness, I so need to wash. My hair needs to wash. Look, can you just see the build up? Maybe can't. Maybe it's not picking up in the camera, but trust me, I got plenty of build up.